Good morning, students. Yesterday I had given you to prove theorem 6.1. What is theorem 6.1? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, मतलब एक triangle है ABC. A line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. एक साइड के पैरेलल अगर मैं एक लाइन ड्रॉ करूँ, मान लो BC के पैरेलल मैं एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ PQ, देन द अदर टू साइड्स आर डिवाइडेड इन द सेम रेशो. अदर टू साइड्स कौन सी? AB और AC. ये सेम रेशो में डिवाइड होंगी. दैट इज AP अपॉन PB will be equal to AQ upon QC. This is theorem 6.1. You have to see the proof yourself from the book and do it. And what is theorem 6.2? Theorem 6.2 is the reverse of this. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. अगर एक line टू साइड्स को सेम रेशो में डिवाइड करती है तो वो लाइन थर्ड साइड के पैरेलल होगी. यू हैव टू सी द प्रूव योरसेल्फ एंड डू इट. वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद एक्सरसाइज 6.2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज you are given DE parallel to BC. DE is a line parallel to BC. You have to find EC इन फर्स्ट. EC फाइंड आउट करना है. तो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? इसी थ्योरम से. क्वेश्चन 1, ABC is a triangle. DB is 3 centimeter, A is 1 centimeter. You have to find out EC. And you are given DE parallel to BC. Then by this theorem, what can you say? DE parallel to BC, then the ratio of these two sides will be equal. AD upon DB will be equal to AE upon EC. AD क्या है? 1.5. What is DB? 3. AE is 1 and EC you have to find out. So EC equal to 3 upon 1.5, that is 2. Similarly, you can find out the third part. Question number 2. E and F are points on the side PQ and PR respectively. For each of the cases, check whether EF parallel to Q. If you have to check for parallel, then converse of the theorem, you will find out the ratios of the corresponding sides. If they are equal, then the sides will be parallel. Please do it yourself. Question number 3. A figure is given to you. ABC. You are given LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to CD. Prove that AM upon AB equal to AN upon AD. How can you do this? You are given LM parallel to CB. LM parallel to CB. So in triangle ABC, you can apply this theorem. LM parallel to BC, AM upon MB equal to AL upon LC. Similarly, LN parallel to CD. In triangle ADC, you can apply the same theorem. ADC, AL upon LC equal to AN upon ND. Now by these two equations, you can see AL upon LC in both the equations. So these will be equal by 1 and 2. AM upon MB will be equal to AN upon ND. This you have to Hence, similarly, question number 4 is also like this. Please do it yourself. And question number 5. Question number 5. In figure 6.20, DE parallel to OQ. DE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR. Show that EF parallel to QR. If DE is parallel to OQ, then ratio PE upon EQ equal to PD upon DO. Equation number 1. Similarly, DF parallel to OR, then PD upon DO equal to PF upon FR. Equation number 2. In both the equation, you will see PD upon DO. So, you can equate the other ratio. PE upon EQ will be equal to PF upon FR. This gives ratio are equal EF parallel to QR. By this you can prove. In figure 6.21, ABC are points on OP, OQ, OR respectively. Show that AB parallel to PQ and AC parallel to PR. AB parallel है PQ के, AC parallel है PR के. You have to prove BC is parallel to QR. Same as this. You have to choose triangle QOP and POR. Apply the theorem, equate the ratios, and then from both equation you will find that the corresponding ratios of side BC and QR will be equal. So you can say BC parallel to QR. These all questions are based on theorem 6.1 and 6.2. Question number 7. Prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. What is the question? Prove करना है कि line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle. Let AB midpoint is P. Line drawn through one side parallel to the third side. PQ. Let P is midpoint and PQ is parallel to BC. You have to prove that this line bisects the third side, that is AQ upon QC. You have to prove AQ equal to QC. These both are equal. First of all, by theorem 6.1, if PQ is parallel to BC, then ratio AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. Equation number 1. Now since P is midpoint of AB, अगर P midpoint है AP का, then AP will be equal to PB. Equation number 2. So by 1, AP equal to PB. So you can write PB is equal to AP. This cancels. AQ is equal to AC. These two sides are also equal. Hence proved. You have to do question number 8 yourself. This is also same as question number 7. See question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. ABCD is a trapezium in which side AB is parallel to CD. And its diagonals intersect each other at point O. If I make the diagonals, they will intersect each other at point O. Show that. क्या show करना है? AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO. AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO. What you have to do? You have to make a construction here. You have to draw a line through O parallel to CD. Let it be PQ. Draw a line through O parallel to CD के पैरेलल एक लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है थ्रू O, that is PQ. Now if you see triangle ACD, in triangle ACD, OP is parallel to CD. OP parallel to CD, you can apply the theorem. AP upon PC is equal to AO upon OD. Question number 1. Similarly, in triangle ABD, OQ parallel to AB. Ratios are equal. OD upon OA, OD upon OA equal to DQ upon QB. Equation number 2. If you see equation 1 and 2, equation 1 has AO upon OD, equation 2 has OD upon OA. Reciprocal it. OA upon OD equal to QB upon DQ. Now equate equation 1 and 2. AO upon OD, OA upon OD. So AP upon PC will be equal to QB upon DQ. AP upon PC, BQ upon DQ. Or you have to prove this, then you can take triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, because in question it is given AO upon BO. BCD में देखो तो OQ पैरेलल टू CD भी है, देन रेशियो BO अपॉन OC इक्वल टू BQ अपॉन QD. Equation number 3. So by equation 1 and 3, you can prove what? AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO. Equation 1 and 2. AP by equation number, let it be star. AP upon PC equal to QB upon DQ, and QB upon DQ. QB upon DQ, you have find out BO upon OC. So put in equation star. BO upon OC equal to AP upon PC. And by equation 1, what you can prove? AP upon PC equal to BO upon OC. BO upon OC. Arrange it. AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO. Okay. This is question number 9. Question number 10 also you have to try it. So please complete exercise 6.2 by tomorrow. Thank you.